camera, action.
おはようございます。はじめまして。私の名前はルビです。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? I'm happy. I'm happy. How are you? Good. How are you? Fine. How are you? Happy. Very good. Everybody, stand up, please. Stand up, please. Repeat after me. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. All right, very good. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Very good. Apple. Apple, very good. Watermelon. Watermelon, very good. Strawberry. Strawberry, all right. Mango. Mango, very good. Orange. Orange, all right. Pineapple. Pineapple, very good. Papaya. Papaya, all right. Banana. Banana, very good. What fruit is it? What is it? Again, what fruit is it? What fruit is it? It's an apple. It's an apple. It's an apple. What fruit is it? It's a watermelon. It's a watermelon. All right. What fruit is it? It's a strawberry. It's a strawberry. Very good. What fruit is it? It's a mango. Right? It's a mango. Very good. Next, what fruit is it? It's an orange. It's an orange. What fruit is it? Very good. It's a pineapple. It's a pineapple. What fruit is it? It's a papaya. It's a papaya, right? Next, what fruit is it? It's a banana, right? Very good. Very good. Okay. What fruit is it? All right, it's an apple. Very good. What fruit is it? It's a watermelon. Very good. What fruit is it? It's a strawberry. All right, very good. And what fruit is it? It's a mango. All right, very good. What fruit is it? It's a pineapple. Yummy. What fruit is it? It's a pineapple. Yummy. All right. Pick one, please. Pick one. Pick one, please. What fruit is it? It's a banana. All right. Yummy. Very good. What fruit is it? It's an orange. It's an orange. Yummy. Alright, very good. Last. Okay. Pick one, please. Pick one. What fruit is it? It's a watermelon. It's a watermelon. Yummy. Very good. Right, very good. Now it's time to play a puzzle game. Two groups, please. Group 1. Group 2. Again. Group 1. Group 2. Make a circle. Make a circle. Right? Group 1. And group 2. Finish? Not yet? Alright. Oh, group 1 is finished. Let's check. Let's check. Say, what fruit is it? What fruit is it? It's a banana. It's a watermelon. It's an orange. It's an apple. Alright, very good. Very good, group 1. Next, group 2, let's check. Say, what fruit is it? What fruit is it? It's a watermelon. It's a pineapple. It's an orange. It's a strawberry. Alright, very good everyone. Very good. Clap your hands. Alright, it's time to clean up. It's time to clean up. Return puzzles. Return puzzles. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up. Clean up, clean up. Put your things away. Thank you. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up. Clean up, clean up. Put your things away. Very good. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down. Again. What fruit is it? It's a strawberry. Alright, very good. What fruit is it? It's a banana. Alright, good job. What fruit is it? It's an orange. Very good. Alright. What fruit